Find features that distinguish it from other brands for YIPOCKY Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Excellent suction power. Our pool vacuum for in-ground pools is equipped with an independent water pump motor boasting a maximum power of 45,000 pascals, ensuring exceptional suction capabilities. It can thoroughly eliminate various debris and garbage, such as sand, leaves, and stubborn dirt, from the pool surface. Extra long working time. The pool cleaners for in-ground pools operate continuously for 120 to 150 minutes and charge rapidly in approximately 3 hours. When the battery is depleted, it will automatically return to the pool's side for convenient retrieval. This innovative robotic pool cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet in area and 9.8 feet in depth. Efficient cleaning. Dual motor and dual scraper design effectively remove debris from the pool floor and corners, capturing particles as small as 180 microns, ensuring the pool is thoroughly clean and clear, and providing you with a refreshing swimming experience. Intelligent navigation. This above-ground pool vacuum employs precise positioning and intelligent navigation technology to clean the walls using an N-shaped path and the pool's bottom with an S-shaped path, ensuring complete coverage and optimal cleaning results. Peace of mind. The Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner comes with a 5-year product protection. Make your pool maintenance easy and simple. If you are dissatisfied with the performance of this automatic pool cleaner, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.